Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up Settings app. From here you want to tap on About Phone, and then let's go to the backup and the reset. And once you scroll down, you will find Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and then at the bottom, Delete All Data. Now it gives you a message that this will remove basically all your data, and gives it on the first page before we clicked at the button. Now I hope it is visible behind this grayed out area, but you can still see what is behind this, what we can see right now, the attention window. So basically it makes sure that you are aware that it's removing data, to the point that it makes me feel like I might be stupid, considering it gives me that message 3 times. And 2 of the 3 times I need to wait 10 seconds. So let's give it 2 more seconds, and we can now begin the process by tapping on OK. And this will take about 2 minutes or so. Once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.